In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress website on Hostinger using a few simple settings that can dramatically improve your website performance. If your website is loading slowly, visitors may leave before your page even finishes loading, and that can hurt both your user experience and your SEO rankings. The good news is that if you're hosting your WordPress site on Hostinger, there are several built-in tools and simple optimizations that can make your site much faster. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Websites to see all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the WordPress website you want to speed up and click on WordPress Admin. This will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard where you can manage plugins, themes, and performance settings. The first thing we want to do is install a caching plugin. Caching is one of the most effective ways to speed up a WordPress website because it stores a ready-to-load version of your pages so they don't have to be generated from scratch every time someone visits your site. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type LiteSpeed Cache. This plugin works extremely well on Hostinger servers and can significantly improve page load times. Once you see LiteSpeed Cache, click Install Now and then activate the plugin. After activation, you'll see a new LiteSpeed Cache section in your WordPress menu where you can configure caching options. Even with the default settings, you should already see noticeable performance improvements. The next step is making sure your WordPress installation is fully updated. Outdated software can slow down your website and also create security risks. From the WordPress dashboard, go to the Updates section and check if there are updates available for WordPress core, your themes, or your plugins. If updates are available, go ahead and update them. Keeping everything updated ensures your website runs efficiently and uses the latest performance improvements. Another important step is removing unused plugins and themes. Many websites install plugins over time that they no longer use. These extra plugins can slow down your website and consume server resources, even if they're not actively being used. Go to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard and review the list carefully. If you see plugins that you don't need anymore, deactivate them and then delete them completely. Do the same for unused themes by going to Appearance and then Themes. Keep only the theme you're currently using and maybe one default WordPress theme as backup. This helps keep your website lightweight and faster. Next, let's enable a content delivery network, also known as a CDN. A CDN helps speed up your website by delivering your site content from servers that are geographically closer to your visitors. This reduces loading time and improves performance worldwide. In your Hostinger dashboard, go to your website settings and look for the Performance or CDN section. From there, you can enable a CDN for your site. Once activated, your website files will be distributed across multiple servers around the world, which can significantly improve loading speeds for international visitors. Another powerful optimization is using the latest PHP version. PHP is the programming language that WordPress runs on, and newer versions of PHP are much faster and more efficient. To check this setting, go back to your Hostinger dashboard and open your Website Management panel. Then navigate to Advanced and click on PHP Configuration. Here you will see the PHP version currently used by your website. If it's not already using the latest stable version, switch it to the newest available version. After saving the change, your website can benefit from improved performance and better resource usage. These simple steps can make a big difference in how fast your WordPress website loads. Faster websites improve user experience, increase engagement, and can even help your website rank higher in search engines. So if your site has been feeling slow, these optimizations are definitely worth implementing. And the best part is that most of these improvements only take a few minutes to set up. Before you go, if this tutorial helped you speed up your WordPress site on Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on WordPress, hosting, and website optimization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.